Hello, welcome. We're with Michael Hao. Michael, welcome.
Thank you.
Michael is the CEO of infiLED, and you've travelled here today. We're in the UK at the moment, but you've travelled from SHENZHEN, China?
Actually from Frankfurt this time.
Frankfurt?
Yeah.
You were at the Pro Light and
Sound.
show.
Yeah, Sound
Was that a
show.
good show?
Yeah, very good show. It's a main show every year we do. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we saw you last at ISE in Amsterdam.
Yeah, I was just 2 months ago maybe. Yeah. The shows are quite close. Yeah.
They are quite close. Do you do any other shows in Europe apart from ISE and Pro Light and Sound?
In Europe, we normally do another shows based in UK, which our partners in UK are doing.
Support.
Yeah.
And well, next to you at Infocom, I think you've got some big announcements coming for Infocom.
Exactly. In June, we are going to release some new products. Little bit information maybe. So we will announce very lightweight products, which suit for both installation and fixed installation and the rental. Another product could be a leading high resolution for outdoor applications. Yeah.
So what can you say what resolution that will be? It's going to be sub 4mm if it's high res, I guess.
Actually, it's sub 3.
Sub 3mm.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
For outdoor, for brightness.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And will these be available shortly after Infocom?
Yes. Yes.
They will.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Most people like to announce their products at ISE, so you're bucking the trend a little bit by announcing a new product in June.
Yeah, exactly. Because ISE normally we also launch new products. This year we had launched the GMG, which is green product for our outdoor installation products. Yeah.
Now, most people probably know infiLED in Europe, at least. I'm just talking from a European perspective. Because of rental, you have a big presence at ISE, and it's always rental. That's changed the last couple of years. You do a lot of fixed installation stuff now.
Yeah, we do fixed installation with several good partners. Yeah, we support them because rental products is always designed with very easy to use, so user friendly. Yeah, and it's
very rugged.
Yeah, very easy to turn to the fixed installation. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So tell us a little bit about infiLED. How many years have you been going?
Yeah, infiLED we started the company in 2009.
Okay.
So next year will be our 10 years.
10th year.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah.
And you're pretty large. I think you're the 5th largest LED manufacturer in China, which is some going.
Yeah.
In 9 years.
If you say from the worldwide global business, in China we are the top 5. Yes.
Top 5.
Yes.
How many employees do you have back home?
In this moment, we are more than 500 people work for infiLED.
Yeah, but you have partners in the UK, America, Australia, elsewhere. Does that grow the number of people who are responsible for your products?
Yes, exactly. Yeah, they are local, partners to support our customers, in a time zone, same language. Yeah.
When you started off, I mean, you're pretty global now, but when you started off, what was your initial vision? How far did you think you'd go, and how long did you think it would take to become sort of global?
Wow, it's a long way to go, Our name, infiLED, infiLED, so mean infinity, unlimitation. We want to be the leader of this technology. So halfway, I would say.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what's the final vision? What's the ultimate vision, you think?
Yeah, the final vision, our vision is to connecting the world by LED. Okay. It's to be a globalization company and not just make business, also have good relationship, good partners, win-win together. Okay. Yeah, for the bright future. Yeah.
Right. Okay. Yeah. And you think you can grow from the top 5 to get up to the top 1, 2, or 3, maybe?
Maybe next 3 years. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. I mean, there's obviously lots of Chinese LED companies, and they're all of different quality. What sets you apart that makes you? I mean, you're in the top 5 because of the volume of product I suspect you sell. But what sets you apart from a quality perspective?
Yeah, quality is always our first priority. And what makes we different, I would say, first is the philosophy we make business. So we understand the global business, which is the right way to do. We always support customer. We also always take our responsibility, support them. Second is the team. So I have a very good team, and we start a company together, and we stay 10 years together. I will see next 10 years we're still together. It's very reliable and very dedicated people.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, you seem to have a very loyal base of value-added resellers and end users. What's the one thing that you think you need to do with your brand? Because you have a great name, you explain what it means, and it looks good on screen behind us, but what do you think you need to do from a brand or marketing perspective to help set yourself apart?
Yeah, that's a good question. The challenge we are facing is we want to be a global brand, and globalization have a lot of challenges like the culture we don't understand, the language we're not very good, and sometimes understanding, it's quite a challenge. So last 8 or 9 years, we tried to send our people, my partners, to all over the world to try to connect people's local partners. But it's still not enough. We need definitely local people, same face, same language, same culture. They can grow our brand. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. Michael, I'll see you again in InfoComm in a few months' time. Thank you.
Thank you very much.